The deeper we look into the human body, the clearer it becomes that some of the simplest choices can create the most powerful biological changes. Green juice is one of those rare habits that seems almost too simple to influence something as complex as longevity, yet modern biochemistry keeps revealing surprising mechanisms hiding within every sip. Molecules inside spinach, kale, parsley, celery, and cucumber don't just nourish the body, they signal genes linked to repair, help quiet inflammation that silently accelerates aging, support metabolic pathways that influence energy production, and deliver antioxidants capable of protecting DNA from daily wear. Some compounds in green plants even activate the same survival pathways triggered by fasting, while others help stabilize blood sugar, enhance detoxification, and feed the gut microbes that influence long-term well-being. As you listen, you'll realize that what appears to be a refreshing green drink is in fact a concentrated system of microscopic tools working together to help the body stay younger for longer. Green juice works in ways most people never consider. The moment it enters the system, its nutrients move rapidly into the bloodstream because they're not slowed down by fiber, allowing key vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and plant compounds to reach cells quickly. Chlorophyll, the green pigment, has a structure surprisingly similar to hemoglobin, which may explain why it helps oxygenate tissues and support detoxification pathways. The nitrates naturally found in leafy greens can improve circulation by supporting nitric oxide production, which assists blood vessels in relaxing and delivering nutrients where they're needed. This improved blood flow supports brain clarity, heart health, muscle recovery, and even nutrient absorption at a cellular level. When people think about longevity, they often imagine advanced supplements or expensive treatments. But the body's greatest protective systems are ancient and respond strongly to plant nutrients. Green juice provides a concentrated form of magnesium, potassium, and natural electrolytes that help balance hydration and reduce the stress load on the kidneys and cardiovascular system. Its antioxidants, such as lutein, zeaxanthin, and quercetin, counteract oxidative stress that accelerates cellular aging. Research shows that cells experiencing oxidative stress accumulate damage over time, but antioxidants from green vegetables help neutralize these harmful molecules before they interfere with DNA and mitochondrial function. Another reason green juice supports longevity is its impact on inflammation. Low-grade inflammation is considered one of the major drivers of aging because it disrupts hormone signaling, slows metabolism, increases fatigue, and makes the immune system less efficient. Compounds in green vegetables, including flavonoids and polyphenols, help calm inflammatory pathways and downregulate signals that accelerate cellular wear. Celery contains apigenin, cucumber offers silica and hydrating minerals, lemon provides vitamin C that supports collagen formation, and parsley contains compounds that influence detox enzymes in the liver. When these ingredients are combined into a juice, the body receives a synergistic boost that is difficult to obtain from a single food. The gut also plays a major role in how long and how well we live. And green juice naturally supports microbial balance. Although the juice contains less fiber than whole vegetables, it still delivers prebiotic compounds that feed beneficial bacteria. These bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids that help regulate inflammation, support colon health, and influence mood and immunity. A healthier gut microbiome has been linked to slower aging in several scientific studies, and green plant compounds play a supportive role in maintaining that balance. Another fascinating aspect is how green juice influences detoxification pathways. The liver relies on certain micronutrients, such as folate, magnesium, and glutathione-supporting compounds, to neutralize toxins produced inside the body or absorbed from the environment. Leafy greens supply these nutrients in highly usable forms. This doesn't mean green juice detoxes the body by itself. Instead, it enhances the systems that the body already uses to protect itself. When these pathways work efficiently, cells experience less stress, which contributes to long-term health and vitality. What makes green juice particularly powerful is the combination of hydration and micronutrients. Many people unknowingly live in a mild state of dehydration, which slows digestion, reduces cognitive function, and increases the load on the kidneys and heart. Green juice delivers structured water from plants, which contains natural electrolytes the body readily uses. This type of hydration plays a role in maintaining skin elasticity, joint health, and overall cellular performance. Its impact on blood sugar stability is another element often overlooked. Green vegetables contain chromium and magnesium, both of which support insulin sensitivity. When the body manages glucose more effectively, energy levels remain stable and cells experience less metabolic stress. Over time, this stability contributes to healthier aging because dramatic spikes and drops in blood sugar are linked to accelerated cellular damage. The alkalizing effect of green juice also contributes to longevity. Although the body tightly maintains its pH levels, diets high in processed foods can increase metabolic acidity, which places stress on the bones and kidneys. Green juice, rich in minerals like potassium and magnesium, helps balance this internal environment, reducing the demand on buffering systems. Over years, this balance supports bone health, kidney function, and overall metabolic efficiency. There's also an interesting relationship between green juice and mitochondrial health. Mitochondria are the tiny powerhouses inside cells, producing the energy that keeps the body functioning. As we age, mitochondrial efficiency naturally declines, but certain nutrients, such as B vitamins, antioxidants, and phytonutrients found in greens, help maintain their performance. When mitochondria function well, energy levels stay higher, cellular repair becomes more effective, and aging slows. Green juice also influences hormone balance in subtle but important ways. Minerals from greens help support stress regulation, making it easier for the body to return to a calm baseline after daily challenges. When the stress response is controlled, inflammation stays lower, sleep improves, and the immune system becomes stronger. All these elements play a key role in how long and how well we age. This simple drink also supports the skin by supplying vitamins that influence collagen production, hydration, and antioxidant protection. Many people notice clearer, brighter skin because green juice reduces oxidative stress, improves circulation, and provides nutrients that the skin cells depend on for repair. Over time, the skin reflects internal health, making green juice a supportive tool for maintaining a youthful appearance. Green juice continues to stand out as a longevity-supporting habit because of how it affects the immune system. The immune cells responsible for surveillance, repair, and defense rely on micronutrients, such as vitamin C, folate, and plant antioxidants to function properly. When these cells receive a steady supply of nutrients, they respond faster, clear damaged cells more effectively, and maintain a more balanced reaction to stressors. Consistency matters, and green juice delivers these compounds in a form the body can absorb quickly. A strong immune system contributes not only to immediate protection, but also to long-term cellular health, which becomes increasingly important with age. The blend of vegetables commonly used in green juice provides compounds that help modulate the body's detox enzymes. Kale contains glucosinolates, which break down into molecules that support phase 2 detoxification pathways in the liver. Spinach contains folate, which assists in methylation, a biochemical process tied to DNA repair and inflammation control. Parsley and cilantro contain compounds that may support the body's natural chelation processes, helping bind and process certain unwanted substances. When the body's detox systems are supported, cellular stress is reduced, leaving more energy available for repair and daily function. One of the most impressive aspects of green juice is its ability to support metabolic efficiency. A body that uses energy ages more slowly. And vegetables like cucumber and celery provide hydration and minerals that help regulate fluid balance. Magnesium, a mineral often underconsumed, is abundant in green vegetables and plays a major role in enzyme activity, muscle relaxation, and blood sugar regulation. When the metabolism runs smoothly, inflammation decreases, sleep becomes deeper, and mental clarity improves, all of which contribute to longevity. Cognitive health is another area influenced by the nutrients found in green juice. Leafy greens are rich in lutein and vitamin K, both of which have been linked to better brain performance and slower cognitive decline. Antioxidants help protect neurons from oxidative stress, while nitrate-rich vegetables support blood flow to the brain. When circulation improves, oxygen and nutrients reach the brain more efficiently, supporting memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. This is especially important as aging can naturally reduce blood flow to certain areas of the brain. Green juice also plays a role in managing oxidative stress, one of the biggest factors in aging. Every day, the body produces free radicals as a natural part of metabolism, and external factors like pollution, stress, and poor diet increase their production. When free radicals accumulate faster than antioxidants can neutralize them, they cause damage to cells, proteins, and DNA. Green vegetables contain a wide array of antioxidants, such as beta-carotene, quercetin, and flavonoids, that help counteract this process. By reducing oxidative stress, green juice helps preserve cellular integrity and supports long-term vitality. Another interesting benefit relates to hydration at a cellular level. Plant-based water is different from processed beverages because it contains minerals that help maintain the cell's fluid balance. Proper hydration supports everything, from joint lubrication to nutrient transport, and dehydration can have a surprisingly strong effect on aging by slowing down biochemical processes. Green juice delivers these hydrating minerals in a natural package that the body recognizes and uses efficiently. Its influence on digestion is also significant. Even though the fiber is reduced during juicing, the digestive system receives a rest while still absorbing nutrients rapidly. This can be especially helpful for people who struggle with bloating, low appetite, or sluggish digestion. Green juice also stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which makes food breakdown more efficient. When digestion works smoothly, the body absorbs more nutrients from meals, wastes less energy, and maintains better balance throughout the day. Green juice supports the cardiovascular system through several mechanisms. The nitrates in leafy greens help support healthy blood pressure by promoting nitric oxide availability. Potassium helps counteract the effects of excess sodium, relaxing the blood vessels and reducing strain on the heart. Antioxidants help keep cholesterol particles from oxidizing, which supports healthy arteries. Over time, these combined effects help maintain heart efficiency, which is a major factor in longevity. What many people don't realize is how strongly green juice can influence stress physiology. When the body is under chronic stress, cortisol remains elevated for long periods of time, disrupting sleep, increasing inflammation, and slowing recovery. Minerals such as magnesium and potassium, combined with vitamin C, help the body regulate its stress response. This doesn't mean the juice removes stress, but it helps the body return to balance more quickly. A calmer internal environment allows repair processes to function better, supporting long-term health. One of the most fascinating aspects of green juice is its impact on cellular repair pathways. Certain compounds in leafy greens support autophagy, the process where old or damaged cellular components are broken down and recycled. This natural cleanup system becomes less efficient with age, but plant nutrients can help stimulate it. When autophagy works well, cells remain healthier, mitochondria function better, and tissues show less wear over time. Green juice also provides minerals essential for maintaining strong bones. Potassium and magnesium help balance acidic byproducts of metabolism, which reduces the load on the bones. Vitamin K from greens plays a role in directing calcium into the bones, rather than allowing it to accumulate in soft tissues. Over decades, this supports bone density and reduces the risk of degeneration. The skin benefits of green juice extend beyond hydration. Vitamin C supports collagen production. Antioxidants protect the skin from environmental stress, and chlorophyll may help reduce redness and irritation. Over time, these effects create a more youthful appearance that reflects internal health. For many people, weight regulation is an important part of longevity, and green juice helps by stabilizing appetite and supporting metabolism. When the body receives micronutrients it needs, cravings tend to decrease because the brain's nutrient signaling pathways are more satisfied. This stabilizes eating patterns, reduces overeating, and supports a healthy weight, another major factor linked to long lifespan. Green juice influences longevity through its effects on cellular energy production. When the mitochondria receive the nutrients they need, such as B vitamins, magnesium, and plant antioxidants, they generate energy more efficiently. This efficiency supports every system in the body, from muscle function to brain activity. Aging is closely tied to declining mitochondrial performance, and supporting these energy-producing organelles with plant nutrients helps maintain vitality and endurance. Another key factor in longevity is metabolic flexibility, which is the body's ability to switch between burning carbohydrates and fats for energy. Nutrient-dense, low-calorie drinks like green juice help maintain stable blood sugar and insulin levels, supporting this flexibility. When insulin sensitivity improves, cells become more responsive, inflammation decreases, and the risk of metabolic disorders decreases. Over time, stable blood sugar contributes to healthier aging because the body experiences less oxidative stress from glucose fluctuations. Green juice also plays a role in supporting liver function, which is essential for long-term health. The liver is responsible for processing hormones, toxins, fats, and nutrients. Its performance can decline with age if it's overloaded, but nutrients in greens, such as folate, chlorophyll, and sulfur-containing compounds, support the liver's detoxification reactions. When the liver works efficiently, energy levels are steadier, immune function improves, and the body manages inflammation more effectively. Sleep quality is also influenced by nutrients found in green juice. Magnesium supports relaxation of muscles and the nervous system. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance, reducing nighttime tension or cramps. Antioxidants support melatonin production by reducing oxidative damage to the glands that regulate sleep rhythms. When sleep improves, the body's repair processes become more effective, improving long-term resilience and emotional well-being. Green juice supports vision health through compounds such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which concentrate in the retina and filter high-energy light. These nutrients are associated with slower age-related decline in eye function. Spinach and kale are particularly rich in these compounds, and juicing them delivers them in a bioavailable form, Protecting the eyes contributes to a better quality of life over time, supporting independence and cognitive health. The circulatory system benefits greatly from green juice. Better hydration supports blood volume, while antioxidants protect the lining of blood vessels from damage. Nitric oxide from vegetable nitrates helps maintain flexible and responsive arteries. This flexibility supports nutrient delivery, waste removal, and temperature regulation. Strong circulation is essential for longevity because every organ depends on efficient blood flow. Another benefit is related to reduced inflammation in joints. Many people experience joint stiffness as they age due to oxidative stress, dehydration, and nutrient deficiencies. Green juices contain minerals and antioxidants that support joint lubrication and help reduce inflammatory markers. Cucumber provides silica, which supports connective tissue. Celery contains compounds that help calm inflammatory pathways. Over time, these nutrients contribute to smoother movement and less stiffness. Green juice also supports the endocrine system. When the body receives enough micronutrients, the glands involved in hormones, adrenal, thyroid, and reproductive, function more efficiently. This helps maintain metabolic rate, energy balance, and mood stability. The indirect impact on hormones plays a significant role in how the body ages, because balanced hormones help regulate everything from appetite and temperature to stress responses and sleep. Another factor in longevity is the body's ability to repair DNA damage. Although DNA damage occurs daily, nutrients such as folate, vitamin C, and plant antioxidants support the enzymes responsible for DNA repair. While no food can stop aging, supporting these natural repair systems helps slow the accumulation of damage, contributing to healthier aging. Green juice also influences blood quality. Chlorophyll helps support the production of red blood cells and oxygen delivery. When tissues receive better oxygenation, they repair more effectively, produce energy more efficiently, and maintain overall vitality. Improved oxygenation supports the brain, muscles, skin, and immune system. This contributes to long-term resilience and supports a slower rate of functional decline. The microbiome continues to play an essential role in longevity, and green juice helps support a healthy microbial ecosystem. Even without much fiber, green juice contains polyphenols that feed beneficial microbes. These microbes influence digestion, inflammation, immune strength, and even emotional balance. A well-supported microbiome is linked to healthier aging and improved resistance to chronic conditions. Green juice also supports kidney function by helping maintain hydration and electrolyte balance. Balanced hydration reduces strain on the kidneys by improving filtration efficiency. Potassium-rich vegetables help counterbalance sodium intake, supporting fluid regulation and blood pressure. Over time, keeping the kidneys functioning efficiently contributes to overall longevity. Skin aging is influenced by internal factors such as oxidative stress, hydration, and collagen integrity. Green juice delivers nutrients that support all three. Vitamin C helps repair connective tissue, chlorophyll assists in reducing irritation, and antioxidants protect against environmental stress. When skin cells have the resources they need, they regenerate more effectively, which supports a more youthful appearance. Muscle health is another important component of longevity. While green juice is not a protein source, the nutrients within it support muscle recovery and reduce inflammation. Magnesium and potassium support muscle function, helping reduce tension and cramps. Antioxidants help reduce exercise-induced oxidative stress. Maintaining muscle health over time supports metabolism, posture, and mobility. Finally, Green juice influences emotional well-being through its effects on nutrients, hydration, and circulation. When the body feels balanced, the brain functions more smoothly. Nutrients involved in neurotransmitter production, such as folate and magnesium, contribute to a stable mood. Better hydration and blood flow improve cognitive clarity. Over time, these factors help maintain emotional stability, which plays a role in overall quality of life and long-term health. Green juice continues to support longevity by influencing how efficiently the body handles oxidative stress on a daily basis. Every cell produces waste products as part of normal function, and when these byproducts accumulate, aging accelerates. Antioxidants from leafy greens help neutralize these molecules before they cause harm. This slows the rate of cellular wear, keeps tissues functioning more smoothly, and supports overall resilience. Over many years, even small reductions in oxidative stress contribute to a noticeable difference in how the body ages. Another valuable effect comes from the way green juice supports the lymphatic system. This system moves fluid, immune cells, and waste products throughout the body, but it does not have a pump like the heart. It depends on hydration, breathing, and movement. The plant-based hydration in green juice provides clean fluid that supports lymph flow, helping the body clear metabolic waste more efficiently. A well-functioning lymphatic system reduces swelling, supports immune efficiency, and contributes to better long-term health. Green juice can also be beneficial for maintaining stable energy levels. When the body receives micronutrients quickly, without the need for complex digestion, energy production becomes more efficient. B vitamins from leafy greens support metabolic reactions that convert food into energy. Magnesium assists over 300 enzymatic processes. These nutrients work together to create a steady, calm form of energy that supports productivity, clear thinking, and physical comfort. Over time, consistent energy reduces the stress burden on the body and supports healthier aging. Its impact on appetite regulation is another factor connected to longevity. When the body receives nutrient-dense fuel, the brain's signaling for cravings becomes more balanced. Many cravings emerge from nutrient deficiencies or unstable blood sugar, and green juice helps stabilize these internal messages. This stabilization reduces overeating, supports weight regulation, and helps the body maintain a healthier metabolic environment. A stable metabolism is one of the strongest predictors of long-term health. Green juice also helps support the health of connective tissues. Minerals like silica, magnesium, and vitamin C help maintain the structure of tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. These tissues naturally weaken with age, which contributes to stiffness and pain. Supplying the nutrients needed for repair and maintenance helps preserve mobility and reduces discomfort over time. Improved mobility supports independence and physical activity, both linked to better longevity outcomes. Another interesting benefit is how green juice influences the body's pH balance. Although blood pH remains tightly controlled, diet can affect metabolic byproducts that the body must buffer. Vegetables provide alkaline minerals that reduce the burden on the bones and kidneys. This helps maintain bone strength and kidney efficiency, which are both crucial for healthy aging. The immune-modulating effects of green juice extend to its influence on inflammation caused by stress, toxins, and daily wear. When the immune system remains balanced, not overactive and not underactive, the body performs better in nearly every system. This balance supports heart health, digestive function, joint comfort, and emotional well-being. Consistent nutrient intake through green juice helps keep this balance stable, even on busy or stressful days. A lesser-known connection between green juice and longevity involves metabolic waste clearance from the brain. While sleep plays the largest role in clearing waste from brain cells, hydration and circulation also contribute. The minerals and plant water in green juice support better blood flow and cellular hydration, creating more favorable conditions for the brain's cleanup systems. This contributes to long-term cognitive health and sharper thinking. Green juice also supports the thyroid by providing minerals like magnesium and plant compounds that help balance metabolic signals. A well-functioning thyroid contributes to energy production, weight regulation, and temperature balance. Although green juice is not a treatment, the nutrients it provides support the overall environment that the thyroid depends on. Another key aspect of longevity is maintaining stable digestive health. As people age, the digestive system can become less efficient, leading to lower nutrient absorption. Green juice provides micronutrients in a form that requires minimal digestive effort. This is especially helpful for individuals who struggle with low appetite or digestive sluggishness. Better nutrient absorption improves tissue repair, energy, and immune function. Green juice also provides gentle support for the pancreas. Stable blood sugar reduces strain on insulin production, allowing the pancreas to work more efficiently for longer. Over time, this stability contributes to metabolic health and lowers the risk of long-term complications associated with fluctuating glucose levels. The cardiovascular benefits continue with the way green juice helps reduce internal stress on blood vessels. Antioxidants help protect the endothelium, the delicate lining inside arteries. Minerals help maintain normal contraction and relaxation of blood vessel walls. When these processes remain healthy, the entire circulatory system experiences less strain, which plays a major role in how the body ages. Emotional balance is another area deeply influenced by nutrition. When the brain receives adequate micronutrients, neurotransmitter production becomes more stable. Folate, magnesium, and plant compounds support this balance. Hydration improves the electrical activity between neurons. Improved mood regulation reduces chronic stress responses, which in turn minimizes inflammation, a key contributor to aging. Green juice also supports hydration inside the joints. Joint cartilage contains a high percentage of water, and dehydration accelerates wear. The structured water from plants, combined with minerals that support joint tissue, helps maintain smoother movement over time. This contributes to better mobility and greater independence in later years. Another factor connected to longevity is blood flow to the skin. When circulation improves, nutrients reach the skin more efficiently, supporting repair and reducing signs of aging. Antioxidants help protect collagen fibers from everyday stress. Over time, consistent nutrient supply results in smoother, clearer, more resilient skin. Green juice also plays a supportive role in respiratory efficiency. Leafy greens contain nutrients that help reduce internal inflammation and support oxygen transport. When oxygen moves more efficiently through the bloodstream, the lungs experience less stress, and the body's tissues function more comfortably. This becomes increasingly important with age. The final major contribution of green juice to longevity is the cumulative effect of consistent micronutrient intake. Aging is influenced by thousands of small processes happening every second. Providing the body with a steady supply of essential nutrients supports these processes simultaneously. It strengthens repair pathways, stabilizes metabolic functions, improves circulation, nourishes the brain, supports the immune system, protects the skin, balances hydration, and strengthens the body's natural defenses. Across months and years, these subtle improvements accumulate into a noticeable difference in how the body feels, performs, and ages. Green juice is not a miracle or a cure. It is a consistent source of support that gives the body what it needs to function more efficiently and repair more effectively. This steady nourishment helps build a foundation for long-term vitality, clearer thinking, better energy, and a healthier aging process.